Question 1. Sarah was born 2005. E N B on C 4. Sarah was born in 2005. Question 2. The keys are the table, E N B on C 4. The keys are on the table. Question 3. We will meet 6 o'clock. E N B at C on We will meet at 6 o'clock. Question 4. I think it rain tomorrow. E will be on C going to. I think it will rain tomorrow. Question 5. Look at those dark clouds. It rains soon. E will be going to. C is going to. Look at those dark clouds. It is going to rain soon. Question 6. She studying for her exam now. E am B is C R She is studying for her exam now. Question 7. All watching a movie at the moment. E am B is C R I am watching a movie at the moment. Question 8. They playing football in the park. E am B is C R They are playing football in the park. Question 9. Is my best friend? He, B, he's, C, him. He is my best friend. Question 10. I saw elephant at the zoo. E, N, B, some, C, any. I saw an elephant at the zoo. Question 11. Look at moon. It's so bright tonight. E, any, B, N, C, the. Look at the moon. It's so bright tonight. Question 12. All to the park yesterday. E, go, B, goes, C, went. I went to the park yesterday. Question 13. Jana. Cake last week. E, bake, B, bakes, C, baked. Jana baked a cake last week. Question 14. Hussein. A new phone 2 days ago. E, buy, B, bought, C, buys. Hussein bought a new phone 2 days ago. Question 15. Shuaib. Already eaten dinner. E, has, B, have, C, had. Shuaib has already eaten dinner. Question 16. Eklis hasn't finished her homework. E, since, B, for, C, Yet. Eklis hasn't finished her homework yet. Question 17. They never seen snow before. E has be have see haven't. They have never seen snow before. Question 18. I have friends in Canada. E any be the see some. I have some friends in Canada. Question 19. Do you have sugar? E some be any see many. Do you have any sugar? Question 20. Would you like tea? E some be any see many. Would you like some tea?